Hi guys, it's Kamai here. Hopefully this video is going to turn out okay. But basically, I recently ordered a Kanken. That's all I'm saying because I cannot pronounce the first word. And I just wanted to talk about it, how I got mine, and yeah, just educate some other few who want one. Yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, we are back. So, my camera is for some reason very out of focus and I don't know what to do right now, and I just want to open my package. So, yeah, I tried to zoom out the camera a little bit. I don't really know what's going on. But yeah, let's actually talk about it. So, I was gonna order a Fjallraven Kanken. Yeah, I said the first word. Wow, I even said I wasn't. But basically, I ordered one for them from the original website at first. It was $114 because I got the laptop sleeve. And then I was waiting like after maybe like 6 to 7 days after it said it was being delivered. And then I, after like probably the 8th day, I was like, well, where's my package? So I called them and they were like, oh, sorry, we're sold out of that. We sent you an email. And so I checked my email and they sent it the day I called them. So how do you run out of stock in 8 days when I already paid? But it's okay. I still got my money back, which was a good thing. And instead of buying another one, I brought another one, but I brought the smaller version and I brought it off of Groupon. Because recently my friend Crystal, she also got one. I guess she's over with me mentioning it, but she got one and she said it was real and stuff like that. So I thought, you know, why don't I take my chances? Either way, I can return it. I'll leave the link down below, but it also depends on the different colors. Because like most of the colors sold out, there was like 4 options. I got royal blue, because I don't really know. It's just like I wanted it. Yeah, I wanted the color. Sheesh. And mine was $63. But they were like all different prices ranging from the color and the size. But yeah. Oh yeah, it just came in a box. And I do not want to show my address. Is it on there? Oh yes it is. Wow, it's so dumb. Sorry guys. So, here she is. She's like the same color as my shirt. A little darker. From what I can tell, it looks pretty real. I'm gonna like show you some like real things about it, I guess, if it is real. Okay, so I'm just gonna look at the buttons and they look real. So here she is. I guess she's a she apparently now. And it's, yeah. I'm gonna go look if it's real because like there's small details. I'm gonna go watch a video and then I'll get back to you guys. But yeah, it looks pretty realistic. It looks pretty small as well. But oh, I guess one thing I can remember is that usually with the fake ones, the name tag thing and the flag are like, this is like black and then this is just not as like sharp. And usually the stitching on the fake ones are like stringy, and these are all sealed. So I'm pretty sure it's real. I'm gonna do a reflection test on this though. The tag looks pretty real. I think it's like this little thing. I don't know if that's focusing, but it's like this little something. It's a logo, I guess. I don't really know. Oh, should be papering. Here's I'm mistaken. I'm correct. Yep. Have those little Kanken things. And like usually if it's not real, I've been watching a lot of videos on this. Like the pictures are usually black and white, not as detailed, or like the pictures are just like very. They just don't look real. Like they look like they like copy and paste it. So it comes with the little seat thing. And yeah, she's cute or whatever. So yeah, let's just get back to the video, I guess.
I thought she cared for me.
What did she do or say that gave you that impression?
The way she talked to me. Smiled.
So I thought I would show you guys how much fits in here. There's like so extra room. This is just some still supplies I have. And I have a 13-inch laptop in there. So, yeah, it fits a lot. It did not fit the binder, but I mean, I guess it's obvious. I'm gonna check if the side pockets are still functional though. So I'll be back. Okay, so we're back now. So with all the stuff I just put in there, it does fit a water bottle. This is just a regular like 16 ounces, but it's so close and everything. And if you still want to drink water, shoot, just put it in the inside pocket. Just get a bottle that will not waste, because or else your computer and all your other stuff will get wet. So yeah, this is all for the video. I hope you guys somewhat enjoyed it. I know I did not. Look at her.